Like a movie. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello. My name is Ajay.
My name is Reza.
My name is Fajar Ismawan.
My name is Vini Kencana Putri.
My name is Muhammad Fikri Sabarsya.
Welcome to our vlog.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
So now we're at Bandung Zoo.
Kebun binatang
Kebun
Bandung.
binatang Bandung. Yes. We are going to see a lot of animals here. Yeah.
And we want to find animal what? Animal what?
I don't know. We're just about to looking for some animals.
And let's go.
Start it. Start it.
Animal in here because lion is boring to animal. Selamat datang di dunia fantasi. Anda memasuki wahana tornado.
So guys, what do you think about this zoo?
Zoo is not hot because kebun binatang Bandung like many tree in here.
There's a lot of animals, but it look like doesn't
Look
take
like-
care with
Yes,
you.
yes.
That's right.
Yeah. Look like a movie.
You sounds like a song. And the zoo is quite crowded because we're here in holiday.
Price ticket. Price
How?
ticket.
The ticket in 2,000. No, not 2,000. No,
20,000.
20,000. Yes,
Rupiah.
that's right.
20,000.
20,000 rupiah. You are come from to Kebun Binatang Bandung.
Okay.
So guys, we're here. Do you want to introduce these animals? There.
And
The name of the animal.
the name
The name of the
Animal is
Australian pelican.
Australian pelican.
Or
Yeah.
name is pelican. And next we want to found many animal.
I think we should go looking for a big animals.
Okay, let's start it. Come on. Talk to him with English. Come on.
There's a Mickey Mouse too. So we're here with Mickey Mouse.
With Mickey Mouse. And yeah.
Hi.
Can you
Hi,
talk,
Mickey.
say hi
You
to camera
speak in
with
English?
English speak?
We
Ah!
don't speak.
We don't talk anymore. Dang, dang. We don't talk anymore. Dang, dang. Don't talk anymore. Okay, thank you. And Spider-Man, I think he can talk to him. Talk to him with English speak. Can you say hello to camera with English speak?
This
Spider-Man or Captain America?
Why you have Captain American style? Why you have this? because I have.
I don't take a photo, just it's
You
a
just
video.
Make a video. So I wanna make a vlog. Can you fight with me? Come on.
So guys, I'm here with them. They're talking with the Spider-Man, I think.
Okay, thank you.
I don't know what are they doing. And we just took Warren in here. Hello. Do you want to say something about this zoo?
Zoo is
How about you? How about you?
We used to come
Spider-Man
in Zoo Bandung. We used to come.
You're in love with Spider-Man?
Next time, Spider-Man can be famous.
We're taking a vlog
Be a
on a
famous.
vlog.
Yes.
Yes, yes. So we're now looking for an outdoor animals because it's too dark in here. Yay, yay. We're looking for a. What are we looking for? There's a tapir. Hey Fikri, you say that you want to ask us something?
Yes. I want to ask my friend. Ask
What?
my friend. What is this? I don't know what the name of the animal.
Actually, there's a caption in this, so you can read this. There you go.
The name of animal is Sandang Lawe,
Yes.
Class Aves.
You don't have to read that, dude.
Okay. Warhol, come on to War.
It's so tired.
tired.
Because this zoo is so big, and
So big
and fantastic.
No. I think Vini go to Zoo Bandung for the first time, yeah?
Yes, I am go to the Zoo Bandung for the first time.
And what do you think about
Um,
sama kebun binatang?
Zoo Bandung is really beautiful and really.
Are you serious?
Are you serious?
Because I think this zoo is dirty and
Disgusting.
no, it's not
No.
disgusting, but there's a lot of trash and
Huh?
you know,
Not clean.
yeah.
And I think animal in Zoo Bandung. What?
Why you was?
What? Tidak terurus. Ya.
Tidak terurus. Sungguh.
I just feel bored.
Okay, let's go. Move.
Okay,
and
move.
show up.
Move and show off.
Pedang dua.
It's been a while since we laid down to reflect upon it all. It's been a while since we stumbled out.
We're still looking for an animal because almost the whole animal here is in cage, so we can do interaction with them.
Wake up.
Hey, it's morning. It's beauty morning.
Wake up.
Wake up! You need to make money.
I think it's not glass.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Bayawak. Ular sanca.
Smells
Bayawak and
really
ular
bad.
sanca.
Komodo.
No, it's not a komodo.
It's what?
Komodo have a
We can't even see it clearly because it's not a glass, right?
Because it's not safety for
So
child.
it's blurry.
You want look a snake?
Yes, let's go looking for the snake. Oh my God, so,
So many people in
crowded, so
here.
crowded, so
Oh my goodness. Oh,
yes.
you can see this.
Many people.
It's many people.
But let's go.
I don't know what makes people want to come in here.
Oh, it's
Maybe there's something interesting.
What do you think about
I'm
snack?
so scared. I'm so
What do you think about
scared.
snack? Box on the box.
I feel sorry for them because they should be in a wild.
Ular hijau pucuk.
It's a green snake.
Black Beatles in the city, be back immediately to confiscate the monies. Fresh ground. Wow.
There's no me. No, 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 there's no me. Ah, like a sound of a fair.
Fajar thinks that the snake is
Fake.
fake. I think they're going crazy in here. Oh my God. Fajar, do you want to say something? Why?
In Zoo Bandung is so bored.
You don't have to say that thing. Oh my God, this is so cute.
Here's a fly.
This is so cute. This is so cute.
No, 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 no,
Get
no,
this.
no, no, no.
Where's the tiger?
Look, look, look.
It's a tiger. It's a tiger. Look at me. Look at me.
I want to ask you, if you were born to be animals, what animals that you want to be?
I want to be a tiger
Why?
because if I be a tiger, I think I can eat you.
How about you?
I wanna be a
Oh,
bird
you
because
want to
I
be-
love fly in the sky with a blue sky.
How about you?
I want to be bird because
Why you have
Why
the
you
same
want to be a
answer
bird
with
again?
him?
because flying in the sky
Because you don't have
maybe so happy.
Kai, how
I
about
want to be crocodile because can
Anything.
eat everything.
Anything.
me? If I were a animal, I want to be a horse because they're so strong. Like me.
From what? You're crying in the class? I think.
Shut up! They're just because one people is so annoying. Where are we now?
Oh my god. Is
Kami satu,
kami komunis basi gitu ini.
I feel boring right now.
Me too, I feel hungry.
Okay, this is last part on our vlog.
Now we are in abnormal
Because we hungry.
Right.
No, no.